Hey online shoppers, today let's break down the buzz around Nabolu Luxury, also known as Nabolu.com, and figure out once and for all if it's the real deal or just another online scam. If you've seen ads for Nabolu Luxury, you might have noticed those jaw-dropping prices on designer bags, watches, or even high-end furniture. But before your credit card comes out, here's what you need to know. First, tons of customers have reported paying for items and never getting them. We're talking weeks and months with empty mailboxes and zero communication. And if you try to reach their customer support, most people only get automated replies, if they hear back at all. Another red flag? Those prices. Listen, if you spot a Chanel bag for less than a pair of sneakers, that's your cue to run. Major luxury brands do not sell new, or even used, items at clearance prices like that. Still tempted? Take a look at review sites like Trustpilot. Nabolu Luxury racks up a ton of one-star ratings, with warning after warning from shoppers who say they got scammed. So, how can you shop smarter in 2026? Quick checklist for you. 1. Double-check contact info. Real stores have a real address, phone number, and a legit email. 2. Do a reverse image search. If those product pics are popping up on other sites or official brand pages, it's likely a scam. 3. Always use secure payment methods like PayPal or credit cards so you can dispute charges if needed. Bottom line? Nabolu Luxury is waving every red flag in the book. Don't get fooled by a pretty website or impossible deals.